November 2nd marked the first trading day that Aphria was traded on the New York Stock Exchange. So that happened today. Today was the first day that occurred, guys, and this is pretty much all it really boiled down to, is that the ticker symbol APHQF turned into APHA. Okay, so this goes for my American friends and my American subscribers, people that trade here in the United States. This is very important for Aphria, okay? This is very, very important, and I'm going to explain as quickly as I can. I want to make a short video, but I do kind of want to explain my theory on these pot stocks. And real quick before we move on, guys, on its first trading day, Aphria didn't, the price didn't change at all. It drifted up, it drifted down, and it closed at a 0% gain. So, you know, that's better than taking a loss. And real quick, I'll just briefly mention this. The Canada-based company produces a range of marijuana and cannabis oil products and touts itself as a leader in the production of pharmaceutical-grade cannabis. So, this was a big move for Aphria to get put on the New York Stock Exchange. Now they are listed on an American exchange. You know, we are us as Americans, we are the wealthiest country in the world by far, dramatically wealthier than any other country. And so when one of these Canada-based, companies hits our exchange, you are now backed by the greatest market in the world. What we really need to zoom in for now, guys, is earnings reports, okay? There's nowhere to tell until these companies report to the American SEC. We got to know where their earnings reports are. So there's 4 stocks that I'm definitely going to be watching going into earnings. And one is Canopy, okay? So keep this date. You know, you might want to write it down or screenshot this or whatever. But right here, Canopy's expected earnings date is November 14th of 2018. And ironically enough, Tilray is the day before. So Tilray's earnings are supposed to be on the 13th. So Tilray on the 13th, Canopy on the 14th. Now here's where things get a little tricky, is that Aurora Cannabis and Aphria don't have a projected earnings date because they have not traded on the NYSE long enough, okay? So this is going to be the real test. This is going to be the real test for these pot stocks now, is that they're probably not going to be able to justify their market caps. They're probably not going to have enough money in earnings to justify their market caps. But the real key from here for all these companies is to show massive quarterly revenue growth. If they can show super accelerated, quarterly revenue growth, then these stocks will continue to trend up. They will just be fundamentally overvalued, but they will continue to run if, like I said, they can show us 200, 300, 400% revenue growth each and every quarter. So that goes for Tilray, Canopy, Aurora, and now Aphria is in that family as well. So, this is a big test right here between midterms and, like I said, the next couple of weeks when Tilray and Canopy report earnings. We've got a just hang on tight. I wouldn't want to be too invested in any of these companies. Like I said, I'm a believer in all 4. I think you should bet on all 4 horses and hope they all win, obviously. But this is going to be the test of tests. So be on watch the 13th and 14th. I will probably try to live stream those earnings reports. If this is accurate, I'm going to visit the Tilray and the Canopy home website and research this a bit more. But thanks for watching, guys.